Good day guys, how are you all? Hope I'll be fine and doing very awesome. In this video I'm going to show you the setup of our system. This is a complete empty chart. Let's load the template. I've already saved here. Let's click on template. Here is the template is loaded. Now as you guys can see multiple indicators loaded on our chart, and which is totally looking very awesome with a lot of features. And in next video I will share more features, how actually the other features works in this. So guys, as you guys can see, now we are going to add the spike indicator. Now we are going to add the spike indicator. Now let's click on navigator, scroll down, and let's go to the section of the spike indicator. Okay, keep watching this video. Now let me show you the spike arrow. Here is the spike arrow. Let me drag and drop this new updated version on our chart. So now with one click, look here guys, just going to paste this on chart and show you the arrow. Okay, so now let's click on OK button, and look here, the chart is updated with an arrow which is showing quite different thing. Okay, and let me do some settings and change the color. Look here guys, the strategy is completely updated, and this is how our chart looks after adding the indicator. Now let me save the template for crash. Look here, the template is saved and our chart is successfully updated. Look here, this is a new chart. Let me load the template and show you. Here is the new template which is loaded. Once the signal appeared, we're gonna trade this. Okay guys, so this is how actually the system looks after installation. It's very easy to install, very easy to use, very simple to make profit, and very profitable and very powerful indicator. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Okay, if someone have question, you guys can ask. So let's move on trade. Let's have few trades using this system, how actually the system works. Once the signal appear, we will trade. Here you guys can see the crash 300 multiple spike, but tiny spikes appeared. Here we received the signal, open a trade, and look here, the trade is in profit. I'm showing with the arrow. You guys can see two multiple spikes, but the tiny spikes, this indicator have no any feature, and no any other indicator have feature that show and predict the size of spike. No any indicator in this world of trading spikes which actually measure the size of spike. So once the arrow appear, we open a trade, stop loss 3 candles, and wait for a market to give us opportunity make profit. Okay, so guys, let's move on next index and check if there is signal present. We're going to trade. Okay guys, let me search which index have a signal, so we're going to make profit. Okay, the trade is closed. Now let's move forward on other chart and let's see. Look here, the trade is right now on boom pair, and now we are going to open multiple trades on this boom pair. As you guys can see, the arrow is appeared, the first trade is opened, the buy position. You guys can choose any lot size. If you guys can choose big lots and no problem, you guys can choose, because the system has stop loss just 3 candles. After opening the trade, stop loss is 3 candles, no more than 3 candles. If there is no spike, take your stop loss and go out and wait for the next trade. Okay, the system have good. Look here guys, as you guys can see, the spike arrow is appeared. We open the trade, and now we're moving with this. I'm waiting for a spike. Open the 2 trades, multiple trades. Okay, we took the risk and open a multiple trades. And look here guys, with 5 standard lots, 2 are executed on our account. The signal also shared in our channel Telegram. You guys can check the description, the link of our free channel and a group where we post free signal of this system. daily basis. You guys can join using description. The link is in the description. Okay, now you guys can see the first candle is went, the second candle is started, and now we are holding this trade for 3 candle. If no spike, we'll close in loss. Okay guys, keep watching the video and see if really this thing worth or not. Okay, so watch till end and let's see when the spike appear front of you guys. 2 candles went, we're holding this trade and let's see. Okay guys, we're moving with this 2 candles and there's no spike. 3 multiple opened, 3 trades opened guys with 5 standard lot. We took this risk. This is the power system. We are waiting for a spike for profit. Okay guys, and once the spike appear, we close this trade or hold this trade. It's all up to you. You just need to patience with 3 candles. Be patient with 3 candles, and once 3 candles appear, it's mean you are in profit. So as you guys can see, we are waiting. This is the third and last candle. If there's no spike, you're going to take our stop loss. Yes. Okay guys, waiting. This is the third and last one candle. If there's no spike, we're going to close this trade with stop loss manually. Because look here guys, a big spike. This is the power system. This is the power system. What I want to tell you, what I want to show you, this is exactly what the system can do for you. If you guys want to have this system, check the description, chat with us. Our team is available to help you in installation, in each and everything. You guys will have this system. Our support team will help you to install in a guide video with PDF. You guys can understand easily. So this is the powerful system. If you still have any problem, any question, you guys can reach us. We are here to help you. We are glad to help you. You guys can ask us. We will help you. Okay guys, here you guys can see after 3 candles a big spike and our all trades in profit. Now we're going to close our trades with trailing stop. Okay, hold, maybe there's more multiple spikes. Okay, so we are holding this trade, more 3 candles, maybe there's more multiple spikes. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, if there is any question, you guys can check the description, chat with us. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.